What's up my people, big up on yourself. If you don't know, got another video from the Maroon Emperor, the 7-star General L.A. Lewis. And today L.A. Lewis visit the Samsung store people in H.W.T. So you don't know a lot of things. You see people, you don't want Mr. One here. Fridge, stove, phones and everything are sure. So people, bless up. Peace.
Servo L.A. Lewis, the social network god. I'm the biggest thing ever on social network. And anybody who says a lie, try prove it. Google it and you'll find out. Alright people, so big up on yourself. So you don't know, say, my day to the people and just say me come a Samson, not the Emperor. So you know the new Samsung Galaxy 4 them, the LX3 them. So a lot of people say me promote it and say, yo Emperor, no phone and name so. But I have the phone. I don't know why people not like to believe certain things, pay haters, see the people. But I try to get a screen because almost 2,000 US dollar for them and the people. By the time I have to come out here, the tax we have to pay for it and duty, I almost put it almost 400,000 people for just a phone. So I better just fly come down and buy it from the dealer. You understand? So see the people, so over there with the Samsung store. So forget the Samsung phone people, you have to come to the Samsung store people. Now we're better than the original dealer people. You understand? So and when I come to the Samsung store people, they see the people, royal treatment, Samsung store, the security them open door for your people. What go on, Siki?
7-star.
Servo. So I was just telling the people about the new Samsung Fold LX3 them. What's the latest for the market?
And the best.
And the best. Yeah, so a lot of people that say, Emperor, why you not buy overseas? I may say, why would I go overseas go and buy any Samsung when the other Samsung dealer is in H.W.T? Would you agree?
Them agree.
Alright, so where you going now? Before we reach the four of them now, we understand that Samsung now just the phone alone. We go all kind of things. So you want to give it a rundown or you want somebody else to come give it? Or you know the price?
I mean, really nice.
See people, even the security, them super smart. I tell you this, Samsung people that run for the store. Come here, boss.
So,
yeah.
we have the 32 inches. We have the 43 inches in a TV.
Yeah.
30.
What on there? The one that going to go up one of the
Maroon. The one I know?
Yeah, I like it.
You have to buy that one here.
Yeah.
Because the one here?
Yeah.
The one that rotate. So
rotate.
the one here?
Look at the touch screen together.
Why? You can't touch it if you want.
Alright. Where's it? You can transfer with that touch? People, tell about Samsung people that are put it in. So the Maroon adds them now, we can put this on the wall and just yeah. People, tell about Samsung.
Let them see this.
No sir, no more than one.
So I'm cash
yeah.
7-star.
You wrote it again, because this comes back from James Bond thing.
7-star.
No, this comes back from James Bond thing, people. People.
So vertical, horizontal.
And horizontal.
Yeah.
People, I'm telling you now. The island, those shorter, no. They're going to take the island shorter and raise up here for the people. But when we go in a power, everybody have to get the raise up here. Same day. You see how I stop teach them thing? Anyway, do it again, because I like to see it. Come back with how much
So this is only 250,000, but your price different.
People, it's a low price. When you hear 250,000 in Jamaica, it's not no money. Translate it back in a pound, I translate it in a US, and then it's say about $1,000. I don't know enough money, people. I like that.
You know, it's like 1,000.
In the return 1,000 US dollar, people. People, I like it. You know, so I go out
one. Make them seat go back vertical.
Yeah, vertical.
Vertical.
Watch it, people. Come down to Samsung, people. I tell you, don't run for the thing, people. America got nothing over with. Canada got nothing over with.
I pretty theory this in the world.
Yeah.
That TV you have to put the soundbar to it because a speaker this alone.
Flat.
This a speaker you can't watch.
And people look, well, I know.
Drive. You can't drive, you know. Come on, them see.
Not even the drive, it may look, it's flat.
You can't drive? Yeah, drive. You have to lift up this. You could have this and lift up it.
Yeah, what's it?
So why they don't do that though?
So you can, when you want to move from room to room, just drive it.
Yeah, like one of them things that like a, yeah, it have wheel on it.
Oh, wheel, okay.
Paper TV with wheel on it and ramp put it in. What would Samsung think of next? And paper, well, I know, when I go behind the people, I believe some big, heavy something paper, it's flat, thin.
Mommy.
Sheet of paper, flat.
Like when it's penny.
And then this can come off and just put it on the wall by itself. People don't ramp with Samsung, you know. So people, yeah, give me a run now, because we soon come to the LX phone, the four of them, the LX four of them.
Yeah, so 32 inches on the wall, this one.
Yeah.
Then 43.
No, me stop at the 43, I know I'm not like, no look at TV, you understand?
So we start from 43.
Yeah.
We have 50.
Yeah.
55.
And
60.
this is what though? 80?
85.
Alright, I just buy a 85. No, I 80 my wife and my mother. I think I 80 my wife and my mother what year. You understand?
Yeah, 80 man, this is
Yeah.
85.
Oh, I mean I know any man. I vex, I never come in as a first. Like, what the price?
So this is, this, yeah, we know you're going to buy it for, this is 365,000.
Almost 400,000 buy one for.
Yeah, we know.
So see people, Samsung have it cheaper people. Samsung have it what? Cheaper. Give them the address, let them know what we're there.
This is the Samsung store, Tropical Plaza, the only Samsung store in Jamaica.
So this is the Ed Samsung store.
The
Only Samsung store people.
in Jamaica.
In Jamaica.
Yeah.
So here say get the latest and the greatest and the best. None of after there. Alright, so I can go to the phones now, because the people know that Samsung step up in the people. Alright, so no phone to beat Samsung right now, people. No phone on the planet. Yeah. Alright, so tell about them phone now.
So you see, this is the Z Fold 4.
Yeah.
You don't have to open it to use it.
Yeah.
So a man like you know, the only reason why you want to open this is when the bank borrow money from you.
Yeah.
So for instance, NCB call you and borrow money from you now.
Yeah.
You have to open it because you want to talk to the bank manager here.
Yeah.
So you talk to NCB manager here.
Yeah.
You look for money for lend them so.
Yeah.
But you still have to watch your property, you know, because you know,
Yeah.
you know one.
So 4 in a one screen. See that people, look at people and a joke to you, see that people see that.
Make them see.
Let them see it.
You see it there? You can lock up like a book. Go open back. You talk to your bank manager. You may talk to me.
Yeah.
Because anybody can any bank.
Yeah.
So you talk to your bank manager, yeah, so.
Yeah.
You look for money for lend them. And you still World Cup, see that match we are watching.
I'm going to watch match over here, sir.
Yeah.
Alright. Hold on, I show them the other one them now.
So this is a 4. You have
So
a
the
flip.
phone. They have a flip.
Yeah. So this is a flip. But I females them love that one, yeah.
Yeah, the females them
So
like
you can buy
that.
that one for
For boss lady.
Yeah, you have to go buy that one if you are.
Say there's a 7 of them have to go buy it, because you know, a 7 wife. Yeah.
So you have to go buy that one.
Yeah.
You can answer and so on.
From Douglas.
Yes, what I know, what do you see Tuesday morning?
Yeah.
Them say a man did up on the transport.
Yeah, that's our fire station. You
Thank you. And what you know, nobody could not catch him because they never have this.
Yeah.
So I be people that say, I want there for Harry, that I want there for Dick.
Yeah.
And them one know who, and
Yeah.
can't know who. But I'm going to say,
The lens.
Yeah, because them phone, and nobody don't have them phone. Apple
Yeah.
can't do what this do.
No.
So I just go say, Mama, come take this on the bar. So I zoom him up and I see who.
Yeah. Oh, you've been zooming up now.
Alright, so yeah, my bar.
Servo, all of you.
So this can do a 100x zoom.
Yeah.
100x. Tongue aside, it's a 1 and 2.
Yeah.
1 and 2 are
Yeah.
What's a bam? 200 exits.
Yeah. Yeah.
Good. The person, them.
And that's a way up in the store.
Yeah, man, that's a Pablo's, man. Million miles away regard.
Yeah.
Million, see there? See there? You know far that
I went half yet.
We're not half yet. See there, 88 that out of 200.
Yeah.
See all the girl there? Look down yourself.
I will see her clear. No, I can't start with my
You
eye.
can't see her the eye. So this now,
Yeah.
I want them use and picky brother from half of the
For the transport center.
place, 'cause nobody couldn't know how.
From way up here, sir.
And a man goes up, a man come up here and say, no man, I read that man, him do it already man, and money,
Yeah.
suspension in Japan already.
Yeah.
So this now, this is the only phone in the world can do that.
Yeah.
See, you
People.
have one of this already, no?
Yeah, me have another one there.
Come and see with one.
Alright.
Yeah.
So people, but the richest phone on the planet now, people. Alright, we don't done it. Yo, I'll tell you some people, but there's a Samsung people, maybe just go hit up grape here, man. Samsung store people, alright? This will be where the VIP come shop.
This a fridge of TV. So, you go to Obama in the kitchen and cook, you can watch your TV,
Yeah.
you can do your vlogging the same way.
Yeah.
Because this is the TV. That one you know, when you're there, so, you just go to Obama and look on your phone and they tell you, say, yo, you know something, in the fridge. What? Yes, come and show you.
People, I forgot to order the one.
You have to buy this. See camera. This a camera tell everything we're in there. So you see your energy, and you say, you know, see, you never backlight energy last time. My brother didn't come check, and I don't know if you drink it, you know.
Yeah.
And you go so you look on your phone and you say, boom, you see my fridge want to energy. And you work, you do that, you know.
Yeah.
Come and see. You see this now?
Smart stove now, people.
Smart
stove.
stove.
So people, the stove them get smart, and the TV them get smart. Why and the fridge them get smart? Why you can't get smart? I can buy something down here. You just say, I would alone get smart. Oh, for Jesus.
See that? So you see the one you know? Deep fries.
Yeah.
So you see these, you know, you say you go to farm and season up your chicken.
Yeah.
You throw them in this, you fry them without oil.
Fry them without time.
You just put in this, I call it deep fries. Just throw them in this and then fry.
Yeah.
And not bake, you know.
Fry.
Deep fries without
People,
oil.
stove and the deep fry them, telling you.
What you know now? That stove you know, you can put in a chicken and down and work. And when you're ready for go home, you just set it for cook.
Yeah.
So you know, so for instance, you work 9 to 5.
Yeah.
And you go work 9 o'clock. When you touch 3 o'clock, you can say, nothing, I go set my thing and it cook and lock off itself.
So you can say, are you work and set it?
Yeah, the electric stove. See,
People,
man,
but tell you now.
look at it. Wi-Fi, everything.
Wi-Fi stove.
Wi-Fi, everything, daddy. So you just stay at work and set it, and you know, say you get an hour for cook. So when you reach home, your food just done cook.
People.
And you don't know any.
No, all of the man about some woman will love go like say they take off. He that what of that stove here, we don't need a woman over yard. So all of the woman they wanna treat the man them good. We have the stove them for running out of the house now, and we have the fridge them for running out of the house. The stove them will cook by themselves. So all the woman them I tell us treat the man them better, you know. Well, let me ask the price at what price out?
So this is only $270,000, inclusive of tax.
People. I want them to buy 3 of my beer mother over $1 million of things, and them still give me a problem.
So the one here,
So,
the one here nearly 500,000. The one here near 500,000.
with TV night. TV in the fridge.
So in the kitchen and
Surveillance camera in the fridge. I can't say from my yard I watch right in my fridge. People, I can't watch who are going in my fridge, and I can't watch when them reach in my fridge. And the fridge will tell me when NSC and all kind of liquor needed people. Samson people don't for them. Oh, me have one other one. You know?
You have one of this?
Yeah, but me have another one.
You have to come for one of this. There.
Yeah.
So this now are 3 doors. And this everybody are mad over before.
Yeah, me have one of this. Over 500,000 money pay feet. How much them there now? Said price.
It drop.
Them drop now.
Yeah,
How much them there
through
now?
this coming.
Yeah.
So this a cheer.
See people.
Through this coming, it drop.
Yeah, because when them just come at 500 for them. Them drop now. See people. So, alright, so we'll go back now to the phone them now people. So people see the phone right now, so people see they never bought the phone.
The TV are 110 inch. The TV are
110 inch.
4 TV combined
In a one.
together. 4 TV merged together.
It's a cinema now. Cinema
And make
test.
one.
Yeah.
So this are 100 inch. But we still have them for sale.
Alright, the LX them now. You have some before it.
Oh, so
What smaller price? Cause you know.
no, guys, so guess what? We have come from 1.
Yeah.
So 1, 2, 3, and you have a 4.
I'm here before, and this is the latest in the
The
world.
latest and
people see it?
best. Anything for big, it must be a Samsung.
Yeah, so the other Samsung drop your people. You can watch 4 TV on this one time of people.
4 things.
You can do 4 different movements for this one people. You can watch YouTube. You can a video party while you watch YouTube, and you send off bank account 4 different screens of people.
And the good thing again, it has a pen. So it come with a stylus. So when
Oh yeah, me not get the pen.
Hold on, the more I show them how the music pen. Come on.
Yeah, me not get the pen now. Me not get the pen. I want them to want the pen.
You don't get the pen?
No, me not get the pen with it.
You know what I'm saying? So this
What the price of the pen now?
No, the case of the pen you can get another for about 19,000.
Yeah.
So when you're done, see it, when you're done, man, them see enough.
Yeah.
You go to bank and you don't do what you do. You don't lend the bank your money. Because you're a man love lend bank money.
Yeah.
So when you don't lend the bank money, you just go to bank.
Yeah.
And you just sign a contract.
Boom.
Argument done.
People, but tell me,
This year, but this is what you have, you know.
Yeah.
Make sure you use it up, you know.
you know, so I'm not using the part of the
You waste some money, you waste some money, then you can buy phones today and now use it up, daddy.
But Jesus,
You
people.
run for the money,
So,
daddy, man.
let them know what price we're having for today now.
So today is only $360,000.
360,000 Jamaican dollars.
Just that alone.
But you know people. Me know no further so boy better go foreign go buy it. But people, if you go overseas and buy it now, people, by the time if you come to custom and everything with it, and custom fling on half of the price, because you know Andrew won't stay. He want money off of everything. You understand? So people, about $400,000, so better come a Samsung come buy it.
Yeah, and spend $360 and get a case.
Yeah. But depend, what I don't know. I can't get the pen by myself.
You know, but I'm not a pen.
Or run a pen.
Yeah. But
You know. You know, so me and own a different thing. So as a pen drop, we just wear a card as an emperor.
Yeah, because we have no pen.
Yeah, see the pen.
Because the pen forward.
Alright, you want me searching now?
Before we call you, we have put on here when I sign.
Alright. You're more now, Fee. More that one of the protective screen there.
Oh, yes, guess what? Samsung will make them use.
That near say.
Yeah, Samsung I said, yo, our glass, a Gorilla Glass, and them I try protect them screen. Because it's Samsung.
Yeah, because you know so about 3 times I drop it and not to it.
Guess what Samsung do?
Gorilla Glass. Tell them what kind of glass?
Samsung say a Gorilla Glass, so they don't really make it screen. And guess what them do? Elegancy. So they want to show off them phone. Samsung, they want you have nothing, no bulky case and so on. And they want when a man see them, say, Samsung, they're pretty.
Yeah.
And run come buy one. So them do elegancy.
Servo. So the boss have been with us. Are we about what the pay for the boss, no sweet, and the boss says, Servo. They watch you. Yeah.
Up front.
Servo.
Yeah, Servo. Let me have a pay life,
And the boss, some of the dear 40 people around the boss shouting up. People tell about subsidy, I pay famous people come shop here. And this are the. But we got St. Martin, we got Curacao the other day, we got Cayman, but we don't see the most Samsung store they about.
God, you know, say, everywhere you can find a Samsung.
Yeah, see that, a rich.
Samsung store, and everywhere you can. You know why Samsung store in Jamaica? Because it's 7-star in Jamaica.
Oh, tell them again. I when did they launch? We say we come launch with you, are rich me, them, you know.
Alright.
And we are rich me, them, we come launch with people. Yeah. So people, so see it here, so the new Samsung 4 people, see it here.
You show them. Because them want you show them.
I hope it people, see it here. And 4 different screens. Guess what? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. The 4 screen and 2 I don't know. You have to set it for me.
Oh, you have to set it for me.
Yeah, set it for me. Yeah, set it for me. Yeah.
A two come out, you show them.
Yeah, man. Me don't know to set it. Because I look up at them know to set it. But me don't know to set it. I go tell them.
You're going on. You have to go in some mood.
Yeah.
You have to go in some mood.
So what?
PS and all of that.
So what? Who can do that?
Me could have do it, but guess what?
The time.
You don't want do nothing like that, no, on the job.
Yeah, alright.
So, them professional there.
Yeah, nothing wrong with that.
Because I remember say you're a professional and
Yeah.
a professional for need you.
Yeah.
Me just a try.
Yeah, because you know I go to the bank account and something go wrong and you say, yo, sick it. So people, see, come down and offer you now, people.
Right.
So see it here, and give them the address for the store.
Oh, so a Tropical Plaza, you know.
Tropical Plaza.
Once you come on Tropical Plaza, the first thing you see is Samsung.
Samsung.
Yeah.
So just ask for the Samsung store, people.
No, they have to ask.
You just see it, the big store. See that?
Yeah.
Right at Tropical Plaza, people. Say, all of the man them who know really garden yard to see where go on them yard. Come down to Samsung, we have the phone them zoom all 100-mile people. So we don't miss binoculars again, people. And then the new Samsung 4 Fold people and the LXM people. Because are the baddest thing upon the planet, people, and promoted by the emperor. You understand? So we say, people, you can't lose off on that investment here. And the price is very nice. I just 300,000 for them
Just
people.
that alone.
Just that alone. Not even $1 over people.
Everybody tell them all that car security.
Alright. So people, Samsung people are the number 1 store people. So see it there. And that's easier people. More one of them for up on the new office where we open in Chilani. So we open a new office at Chilani. So we got the maroon people, the maroon documents people. So if you want the maroon documents, just call 7734594. So we have the smart TV people, the one and all people. Definitely, I'm gonna need this. Yes, I may carry that with my people. Yes, son. The fridge, I don't know about fridge yet, because I don't really have nowhere for put the fridge people. Because I already buy one of the other model people, but the Samsung I bring out the one where we work with now people with the TV and people more watch me and listen to them, people. Trust me. So that Samsung TV fridge of people, I need it.
Show them like the TV very pretty.
Yeah.
Show them
People see the TV is prettier. Look at people. Come at the picture of them jump out for you people. Watch it. No sir. Jesus Christ, the TV is nice. Very nice. Yeah, but look at the people. No sir. And it's flat, you know, people, it can go for your wall, you know, and it's a turn for your wall, you know.
Horizontal, vertical, any way you want.
Vertical, horizontal people, and a 3D TV, the people. Fully 3D, the people.
QLED.
QLED. So people, and you don't need no tempered glass with these people because it make out a thing called Gorilla Glass. So even if it drop people, it's good. So coming as Samsung people, the emperor there, I know say anyway the maroon emperor support people, it's fully endorsed. So Samsung people, the best. So and you don't have to really go overseas people because when you check out the price, when you go pay for the things from overseas people, when you come to custom people and the customer gonna lick you with the price people, better just come to the Tropical Plaza people and tell them, so yo, the maroon emperor send you. So you don't get a special discount. Yes, and so also if you don't have the maroon documents people, the maroon ID, special discount. So see that people, Gorilla Glass people. And you see the fold people, you can't even really see the fold in it to the people. See that? The fold almost invisible. So it's like a tablet and a phone in one people, but better than that, front and back phone people. Front and back and you fold over. So you know more time you're in the car and you want to do something with phone to fat people. Samsung make it easier now people, just one hand grip. See that so you can go ahead to grip them. And in the car. And I do everything people. So if the phone never gets smart, Samsung have smart TV, Samsung have smart microwave, all the phone is not smart. So if you're smart, you come on Samsung right now, people come do some shopping. And that's the people, and the Maroon Emperor, and that's it there. So people log on. What the phone number? Yeah, give me a let's call out the phone number, man. Let's call out the man, my people here, man.
754.
Savo! What are they repeat again?
754-6370.
See people, Savo! Everything I've started to serve people. From the numbers I was serve people, you know, say, hey God, I start to serve people. So, come down people, I start to serve now people. You see the people, it's a God bless you. I'll really follow the emperor forward people. Don't worry, put it up. My own government, nothing else makes sense. Samsung store and more people. So, come down for the latest full LX people, them bad. When I say bad, I mean Bin Laden bad. Nothing Michael Jackson bad. Real bad. So, check it. That one there, you know the emperor go on. I wonder about the fridge now. I see people have VIP thing. You get when they come in now. Secret is so open door and the beautiful browning and just come to one bag of thing. I see that people, I'll watch them to the people.
But you never tell them about it.
I never tell them, I watch it. Give me a run up on them watch it now.
So this one now is only from 55 to 50.
Yeah.
From 65 to 55.
Yeah.
And this stands alone, 84,000.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So give them a feature span to watch them.
So alright, you see them now? If we give them a feature span, then it would have taken me all day. We soon laugh, but I give them.
So James Bond watch.
Yeah. So with them now, you don't have to touch your phone.
Yeah.
Once you have this, you answer everything, send back a call them, test all the blood pressure, test on the heart racing and all of that. You see what I say? Yeah, and you get a case with them, and you get a charge and everything.
Yeah.
So basically, at them I run things. If you don't have none of them here, you don't have no watch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Digital.
If you don't have on this, you don't have no watch.
Digital.
So if you know this, you put on, don't put on no.
Digital.
Yeah. And but you know, the good thing about it, after you buy it, so you can customize it and turn it in a way you want to turn it now.
Yeah.
So you can go to Bam and get a full case and full banana man look different.
Yeah.
But I still eat.
what will Samson think of next people? So, people, so get back to it, because what I'm going to do now, you know, I'm going to talk and negotiate some price, because you know the empire already, people, so that falling TV, the people then go away, and it have to come with me, but me don't want to know my price, people. So, people just come to Tropical Plaza, people, a Samson. So when you say Samson, we are the strongest on the planet. See the people, the latest Samsung phone LX people, them bad, being like the bad, not normal.